So the Maritime Decarbonisation Hub is a non-profit organisation fully funded by the Lloyd Register Foundation. So we're independent to the commercial group, and our objectives are to accelerate maritime's decarbonisation. We've been running for about 3 years, and I think what we've learned during that 3-year program is that the requirements moving forward from today are to become much more specific and strategically focused on outcomes. 3 years ago when we started, it was the case that simply doing good things moved the industry forward. But now there's a lot of activity. There are a lot of really intelligent people in the industry focusing more deeply in certain parts of the decarbonisation challenge. So within my new tenure at the Hub, I'm looking to see how we can set our next strategic direction to make sure that we best leverage the skills that we have within the organization, the partnerships that we have developed along the way, and also the access that we have to the SMEs within the Lloyd's Registered Group. So I'll be looking to really focus on what we can do to be the most impactful, to really focus on change without diluting broader efforts across the wider maritime decarbonisation challenge. Great question. So as I was sort of referring to in my previous answer, a lot of the work that has been done to date has focused on technological feasibility and safety. Can we burn these new fuels? Can we integrate them into safely designed ships? Can we establish supply chains? And as that feasibility starts to come to quite a mature position, the challenges moving forward are to actually move into implementation and to execution. Actually making deals between parties, actually ordering ships and committing them. So the challenges now are to make things real, are to go from the ideas that we have had and the great analysis that the industry has done as a whole, and we as the Hub in particular, and to move that into firm implementation timelines with our partnerships and with commitments from everyone to really put their money into the story and to deliver real projects. Collaboration is it's a very easy word to say, and it's a very difficult thing to actually do. As I was saying earlier, up until this point in time, partnerships and collaboration between people has been open and relatively low cost, I would say. So it's been easy in a learning and curiosity mindset to collaborate with people, and that's been fantastic. We've needed that. We've needed the inputs of different stakeholders and their different subject matter expertise. But collaboration moving forward from now actually also start to require being comfortable with transparency, being comfortable with a little bit of corporate vulnerability and admitting the things that you aren't in a position to yet know. And so the dynamic of the collaboration that will be needed moving forward is a bit different to the open curiosity-based collaboration of the last 5 years. We try to achieve that by creating very focused and specific collaborative areas in safe spaces, protected by confidentiality where that is necessary, to allow people to feel like there's that there is minimum risk to being really open and transparent in their collaboration. So that's the way we try to achieve it, creating very clear task force or projects that have a clear objective with the right people around the table who are in a position to really move the issue forward, but who feel comfortable to sort of open their front house and share everything that they're going through. I would say our Silk Alliance Green Corridor project is probably the thing that we feel has most successfully sustained a great sense of collaboration since our inception. We have just had this week in Singapore Maritime Week our 6th working session. So we've been running for 3 years doing working groups every 2 years. All of our members were here in Singapore for the week, and that forum was exactly that, collaborative. It was open. It was not always easy. The conversations were not always the simplest things to navigate. But that fills me with confidence because it means that they were open, it means that they were honest, and it means that we're really facing the challenges that we need to overcome.